Hello guys, in the last video I have shown you how to use timers with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. In this video I will show you how to show running current date and time with your Visual Basic Windows Form application using timers. So let's get started. First of all, I will take a label from my toolbox and I just need a label, and let me change the font size of this label, and let's make it little bit bigger. Okay, so I have a label and I will change the text as date time. It doesn't matter what is the text on it because we are going to change this text. Okay, so now we have the label, and we will take a timer from our toolbox and drag and drop into the form, and it will go here. And now what we are going to do is we will just select our form as a whole and double click it, and that leads us to the form load event. Okay, and in here we will write timer 1, which is the name of our timer, dot enable is equal to true. Okay, so when our form loads, we want to be this we want that our timer should be enabled, right? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this timer and double click it, and in here in this timer tick event I will write the name of my label, which is label 1 dot text is equal to date dot now dot to string. Okay, and in this string parenthesis we are going to pass some argument to show the date and time. So here we will pass the format of date and time we want. So this can be decided by you. For example, I want to show the date as day dash the month of the year, so capital mm for month dash year. So year, for showing year, you can show it in 2-digit or 4-digit. I'm going to show it in 4-digit. And now for the real time I must give the hours, so HH for hours, and double colon minute, small m for minute, so small double m, and then the second, so small double s for the seconds. Now you can also change the interval of time to the tick of the time, so select your timer and make it 1000 millisecond, which is 1 second. And now when I run the program, you see my timer is ticking and it's showing the current date and current time, which is running time. And you can also change the format of this date and time according to your custom string. For example, I want to show the month in 3 values, for example, so just write month, and here instead of this dash I don't want to show, I want to show spaces, right? So now when I run the program, it shows a little different date. Date is same, but the format is changed, right? So we can customize our time and date format according to ourselves. Just remember, the day takes DD, month takes capital MM, year takes small y, hour takes double H smaller, minutes takes smaller m, and seconds takes smaller ss, right? So now you have running digital clock with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.